We have learned angle in degree and radian measures. Now let's see the applications. Why do we need to learn that? Two cities are nearly located in the same longitude of 96 degrees west. Basically, let's say here is the first city, and then here is the second city, and then this is the Earth globe. And from the north to the south, you assume there is a disk passing through those 2 points and also the center of the Earth. Okay, if you assume this vertical disk is 0 degrees, then to the west will be 96 west longitude. Okay, this 96 basically tells us that those two cities A and B, they are on the same longitude. We will not use 96. Okay. Then the latitude means what? Means the horizontal one. This is the 0 equator. Okay, 0 degrees. And then this is another smaller disk. Okay, so the lines, the disk in the horizontal way, and then we will call that's latitude. Okay, the latitude of the first city is 23 degrees north. So here is 23 degrees. 23 degrees. You see, from the horizontal way and then rise up to the north. Okay, so that's 23 degrees north. The second city has the latitude of 36 degrees north. So the second city, the latitude is higher. It means that from equator, you raise up to 36 degrees. Okay, yeah, basically it's this disk. Alright, now what is the distance between the two cities if the average radius of Earth is 6,400 kilometers? So basically what we need is we want to find out the distance of this arc. First city and the second city. Okay, we want to find out the distance of the arc. And we know the average radius of the Earth, we assume, is 64 kilometers. Alright, so let's solve the question right here. Now, first of all, what we need is we need to find out the angle of this one. Let's say this is theta. Okay, this is theta. So the degree, here is the solution. Here is the solution. The angle theta equals 36 degrees minus 23 degrees. Okay, you see one is raised up to 23, another raised up higher, 36. And then the difference of these two angles will be theta, which is in the graph. Okay, so 36 minus 23, the angle is what? Is 13 degrees. So the central angle is 13 degrees. Okay, now we know 1 degree is this many radians. You always want to know 180 degrees is pi radians. So divided by 180 on both, then 1 degree is this many radians. You have 13 degrees, so then 13 times pi over 180, so you have a radians. That will be the radians of this theta. Alright. Now, you know, the radians theta is defined as the length of the arc divided by the radians. Okay, if both sides multiplied by r, you cancel r with this r, so S is r theta. Okay, the length of the arc is basically the radians times theta. Okay, theta, you know, is the angle in radians measured. We know that this is the formula. Then the length of the arc is the radians. Radians is this much. Radians is 6,400 kilometers. Yeah, times theta is this much. So 13 times pi over 180. Alright. Now you got to find out this through the calculator. That will be 6,400 times 13 times pi divided by 180. You hit enter, you then have the answer. Okay, the answer right here is what? Is 1,452, maybe 0.11, but you know, approximately is this many kilometers. Probably some of you have no ideas about how long is 1 kilometer. You are actually done here. But you know, 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. Okay, if you want to find out more, let me mark this with the different color. Okay, so this one, if you divide it by 1.6, you divide this number by 1.6. So the difference between those two cities is approximately 908. You round it up. Here is 5, so you round it up. Miles. Alright. But you know, this is extra. You may not really need it. You may just answer, the answer is 1,452 kilometers. And then that's it. Okay. So that's the application. Probably I should stop here. I will see you next time with another example.